Yo, people, hope you're staying safe and healthy. Right, I've got a crazy unboxing for you, and I've been really blessed this year so far. You know, it's a lot of people looked out for me to make sure that I can, you know, get these products and showcase them. And the latest one here, courtesy of a very, very good friend of mine, is the Nike Air Jordan 3 Fragment Edition. I thought I'd missed out, and I get the call, and it was like, yes, it's on. So, yo, I really do appreciate you. Thank you very much. Right. To the shoes, okay? The Air Jordan 3 for me is my #2 silhouette of all time. And for those who aren't familiar with Fragment Design is the creation of Hiroshi Fujiwara, the godfather of streetwear in Japan. Everyone looks up to him, from Nigo, from Bathing Ape now to Human Made, to Shin, Tet, Ket, Jun, all the streetwear labels, you know, that we are so familiar with right now, owe it all to Hiroshi Fujiwara. And he's not just a designer, he's a man of culture. His food choices, his DJing, his music selection, everything absolutely legendary, absolutely legendary. So yeah, let's break it down to that. Now to the shoes. These are absolutely cold, right up into your face. Look at that tumbled leather, the full grain tumbled leather, absolutely beautiful. Perforated leather around the collar, as is synonymous with the Jordan 3. You got the Fragment logo right there on the underside of the tongue. And then to this bad boy, the see-through heel tab. You got the Jumpman, which is embossed on top. The Fragment logo underneath, and the Air right there. And then you have the Fragment logo just here, and then some detail writing just there. And look at that beautiful, smooth black leather. I mean, seriously, if this isn't one of the best executions of a Jordan 3 ever, I don't know anything, swear down. For me, just thinking about the color blocking here, these hark back to the fastest selling Jordan of all time, the Air Jordan 11 Concord, which debuted back in '96. And I think, doesn't have the patent leather, but such a clean look. But I think that's where the inspiration comes from. Anyway, one of the releases of the year, no question. Once again, shout outs to my good dude for looking out. And yo, peace and blessings, people. One love.